Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Today we will study the last stonemason, second chapter of second unit. It is written by Sigrun Srivastav. Let me give you a brief description about her. Sigrun Srivastav is a 77-year-old Indian author of German origin. She was born in 1943. She is a multi-faced artist, a writer, a sculptor, and an illustrator. As a writer, she has written over 25 books for children of all ages. She lives in Delhi. So, before understanding the chapter, let us know who is a sculptor. Sculptor is the person who makes statue from rocks. Okay, you got it? So, what will happen to a dying art? Will it survive the last stonemason? We will study about that. So, let's start the chapter. Once upon a time, there was an old sculptor who made sculptures for temples. He was known as Master Ji. Okay, he was very much devoted to his work. He had a son named Gopal, but his son had a different mindset. He wanted to earn more. He thought that the work his father was doing is really stupid. So, in order to earn more, he left his father and went to Agra. Masterji knew that Gopal's decision was good, but still he was helpless. So, he also had a servant named Salim. Salim was an orphan boy who came to work for Masterji's 5 years ago when he was looking for shelter in a monsoon storm. His clothes were tattered and his skin was drenched that time. Salim daily went to market for 2 hours and Masterji thought that he was developing a bad habit, but he did not say anything. Masterji loved his sculptures and his traditions. The day Gopal left home, Masterji struggled completing the statue of Krishna. He felt weakness in his hands and mind because he wasn't eating properly. But Salim forced him every day to eat a healthy diet so he can work efficiently. But he wasn't eating anything. He still wanted to complete the work, and also he was missing his son. So he daily used to cry, prayer, and wished that Gopal could help him complete his statue. Masterji was senseless and fell off on the pedestal while completing the statue. When Masterji woke up, he saw that someone was completing his unfinished work that he left. He thought the person was Gopal, but when he came near, he saw that Salim was working on the statue. Watching Masterji came toward him, he scared, thinking that Masterji would be angry that being a Muslim, Salim was making the Lord Krishna's statue. Salim said that he wanted to do his work by his heart. Also, he revealed that the 2 hours he spent at the market every day were not for any bad habit. He went to learn sculpting and wanted Masterji to guide him. When Masterji saw Salim working, he was not angry. He saw his dedication towards the work. He told that if a person has talent and does a work truly by his heart, does not need any guidance. So the moral, art is a secular profession. Any person of any religion can practice any profession, may it be painting, sculpting, or drawing. So I think you understood this chapter very well. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.